If you want to free up storage space on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we can open settings. Over here in settings, you're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to device care. Over here in device care, we should be able to find the storage options. So let's tap over here. And of course, now we can see all the information about the storage, how much data is taken. I mean, how much storage is taken by data. We can also see these categories, so you should have a general idea of all these files that you have on your phone and what you can get rid of. So if you think that, for example, you have lots of images and they take too much space, you can of course tap on the image category. You can go through this list and you can decide which files you want to remove. You can do, of course, the same thing with pretty much everything else that you have in here, with some exceptions. Of course, apps are usually the biggest files that you have. So you might want to uninstall apps that take lots of space. If you go into the list of apps like that through the storage menu, then the list of apps is sorted by the amount of storage they take. So you can easily find apps that take the most space. And besides that, we have a couple of different additional options, like, for example, duplicate files. If you have some files that seem to be exactly the same, then you should be able to simply choose whichever duplicated option you want to uninstall from your phone, or not uninstall, but remove it actually. So you can remove them, there we go, just like that. So you can get rid of files that are actually duplicated, if of course they are truly duplicated. You can also go to large files in order to see apps, sorry, not apps, files once again, that take, in theory, lots of space, and that lots of space is actually changeable. I mean, you can adjust and decide how big should be a large file, or how many megabytes should be considered as large. By default, it is 25 megabytes, but you can choose 100, 500, or you can use a custom size instead. So if you have any large files, then you can, for example, remove them with the help of this menu over here. Also, of course, if you remove something from your phone, it's going to be landed in the trash. So you still have the option to recover these deleted files. You have 30 days to decide if you want to keep these files or if you want to permanently remove them. And if you leave them for 30 days, then of course they are going to be completely removed. But of course, until they are in the trash, then the storage is actually taken. It's not like they are in clouds or something. It's still saved on your phone, so you can of course immediately remove files that you no longer need. And also we have unused apps, which of course can be also pretty helpful to decide which apps you might want to completely uninstall from your phone if it turns out you don't use them, or you rarely use them and they are not needed so much. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.